art in human conversations the way a human does, and I think this model comes close to that.
Today we wanted to talk about the improvements in personality and sort of the naturalness of the new voice model.
So it's not just the words it picks, but also the ways it says them, the pauses it takes, the inflection it uses. And so we've been trying to dial those things in to make something that is enjoyable to talk to.
When we made this model work, this conversational smartness started to show itself in some of these surprising ways, which has been really delightful to see.
Are we good? Okay, I guess you need to unlock the phone.
Okay.
Again,
I'm gonna demo a use case where I have done an imaginary job interview, and now I want to talk to the model about how that interview went. Cool. Hey, are you there?
Yeah.
So I had this job interview last week that I wanted to talk to you about. It was a job I was really excited about, but I got into the interview and I think I just completely fumbled my lines. You know, I think I just gave really, really bad answers.
Yeah, that sounds pretty rough.
There's more to the story though. I got a call today and I was like, okay, this is it. They're gonna tell me I'm rejected. But then they said that I got the job.
Whoa, congrats.
There's just one problem.
Okay.
The salary they quoted me was lower than my expectations.
Right.
Do you have any tips for how to negotiate salary with them?
You might want to start by expressing your excitement about the role.
Okay.
And then just asking if there's flexibility in the salary range.
Okay, so let me practice this with you. I'm really excited about the role and really appreciate the offer, but I was looking to get more like X instead of Y. Is there any flexibility?
That sounds great. You could also add a quick reason for that number. Maybe something like, based on my experience and market data, just to anchor it as something concrete.
Okay, thanks so much for your advice. Bye.
Good luck.
Something cool there was hearing the pivot from when you think the interview went bad, the model's kind of empathetic. And then when you're like, I got the job, it just switches into being excited for you, you know?
Yeah. You know, when you're in the flow, brainstorming with someone, and it kind of you overlap each other and you kind of really get somewhere interesting.
Yeah.
This model was the first model that felt to me like it could match that energy.
Yeah, it can jump in and kind of interrupt you, or it can signal that it's listening to you.
Yeah, it just feels like collaborating with AI in such a different way.
I don't think I've been on a project that had such a clear moment where I was like, it's working.
Yeah,
and when it started working, it's like, oh my goodness, we have something here. I have a question for you. Well, we're trying to shoot this marketing video about you, by the way, and there's a siren in the distance.
Okay, I'll stay quiet for a bit. Help you get a clean take?
Well, we need you to talk, to be honest. You're kind of the star of this show.
Oh, okay. I'm ready whenever you are.